Hello sir, my name is Watz. What is your name? My name is Fat Guy. How are you doing? Yo my man, I am doing fine homie G. Hey. Do not call me that. It is really mean. Why are you such a jerk? Yo man, I am sorry. I did not know. How about we go get some pizza after? Why? Because I am fat. Well up yours you old coop. I do not need this. Hey man. I was trying to be nice. Come on, let us go get pizza together. That sounds lovely. But you're paying, yo. I am not paying. Who do you think you are? Telling me what I can and cannot do. Shut up. You are black, burnt to a crisp. And leave alone. My name is Fat Guy. Oh hey I am Watz.